Hello!
Hi!
Oh, wow!
Welcome!
Hello! Oh my
So
God.
nice of you to
You know,
come.
this is so beautiful. I was in awe entering. My gosh, how big is this place?
4 hectares.
4 hectares. This is my dream. So, ito ang Hacienda Isabela, which is named after you. How did you build this?
Isa-isa lang.
Oo.
This was the first house, yeah.
Okay.
Well, my brother found the property because he knew I would always talk about, I want to have a farm one day.
Ah, you did?
Yes,
Para palang
bata
ako
pa.
to. Oo, noon
You have
pa.
a farm
No,
then?
I want nga na gano'n na I want to have lagi. Oh, and then,
Itong lugar na ito, tinanggal namin yung mga puno dyan. This was a coffee farm.
so it started really as your home.
This one.
Okay, ito
So,
muna. Uy, ang
dapat-
ganda dito.
Dapat ito, maliit na bahay lang.
Oo.
And then as we were building, ay, extend natin dito. Extend there, extend here.
My dad
Naging
was the
malaking
one that was
bahay
like,
na.
You need a second floor.
Yeah. Okay, so let's look at this. Look at the mood. Did you get an architect, an interior designer, or this
Look
is
at
all
that.
you?
That's her-
Look at those, 2, 4, 6, 8, no?
Okay.
Before this was built, I didn't even know I would be able to use that. I already had the 8 windows.
Ito yon.
Oh, because before I put this up, I would buy na the old things.
Yeah.
I was into that.
Okay.
For example, this is an old door. Yeah,
Wow.
That we put together. We built this.
Pintuan to.
Ginawa ng carpenter
These are the
namin.
mga like railings.
Very old door yan.
Oo.
Kunyari ganyan.
Yeah.
People would come to us and sell us posts, yung mga lumang bahay na
Oo, oo.
ginigiba. So we would buy it and then we would put it up as a house. Meron kaming wooden house doon.
So ito yung flooring, ano to?
This has been here for 26 years.
Wow.
Yan, gawa yan nung yung pintor namin. The one that did that, ha?
Really?
He did that one, he did this.
Wait, guys, tignan nyo, pintor lang. Ito si Mona Lisa.
Not pintor-pintor sa bahay, ha? He's
Hindi.
also an artist.
Ayun.
Si Yeye Babautan.
So what was your inspiration for this? This is really cool, your aesthetic.
I'll tell you, when I was a student in Bacolod, I went to a house of someone we were invited. It left a really nice impression in me. Rustic. It has such a nice feeling. Sabi ko, I'm gonna do this, Ano yan, pag nagbabakasyon ako, kayo gagawin niyo muna yung posting ito, yung posting niya. Turo-turo
Ganon.
lang.
Wow, so inspiring to kasi ang akala ng marami to build
May
a place
designer.
like this. Wow, ang mahal siguro ng
Hobby
gastos,
talaga.
designer, ganon. Ito, you did it love. Ikaw lang.
Hobby.
Hobby.
It was a passion to build.
Oo.
Minsan, you have to be careful because hindi ka titigil kasi, di ba? Pero sa akin now, I'm content. Tama na. I would also go and, buy mga paintings, go to flea markets.
Ang ganda niyan.
Diba?
Saan ka pumupunta pag ganyan?
In America kasi, we did a lot of flea markets every weekend.
Yeah. Ito poste, mga poste, lumang
Old
poste,
doors.
old doors.
Yeah.
So this dining area, like that wall, is so beautiful.
Napakadali lang nito. We have mga mason that does this. They cut the thing and then use that. This
Pero
was
saan
done.
galing ito?
The
Who?
tile?
Oh,
The
old.
Spanish tile.
Old tiles yan.
Old tiles yun.
Yes, that they would bring to me kung gusto ko bilihin. So, syempre, pag kami dumadating, naiisip ko, we had our own carver.
Yeah.
And we would give him something to copy.
Even the stairs,
Pero ang
this
lalaki
is...
ng hakbang.
I love it. Ang ganda. Ang ganda. May inspiration ka ba sa ganito?
Wala.
Actually, semento lang to.
Cement lang.
Wow. Oh, ang ganda nito, biglang blue.
Yes.
Naisip mo ba to? Ikaw nag-isip nito ko?
Maganda yung color di ba? Ganun lang talaga because it's a nice color, it's attractive. I don't believe in spending too much money on any structure kasi. Because I believe that, we can be practical and still make it look attractive, beautiful, no? Kamukha niya.
This is a painting by my Tito Victor.
Oh, ito, nabili
Nice.
namin ito sa
Ganda.
Yes, yeah.
For example, this one, you think it costs a lot of money, right? But, somebody sold it to us. Well, 10 years ago, $100.
Wow, so ano
Diba,
lang po
no?
yun,
She
parang
brought it back from the States.
5,000 piso po ang ibig niya
Oo, ay, pero tingnan mo kung
sabihin,
gaano
pero
kaganda,
tingnan mong
diba?
itsura.
Ayun.
Pero bilang tao ba, Ku,
Yeah.
kasi mahirap naman ang pinagdaanan mo when you were very young, bago ka sumikat.
yes.
Matipid ka ba talaga bilang tao noon pa?
Marunong ako magtago ng pera.
Pera, oo.
Pero talagang negosyante na ako, bata pa ako. I would paint bottles, sell it in the community.
Kasi yung mga hindi nakakaalam ng kwento mo, parang ang perang hawak mo lang noon, 50 pesos.
No, 50 pesos a night when I would sing up to 2 in the morning.
Ayun pala yun. So isipin nyo ang career ni Kule Desma no nagsimula.
47 years ago.
Oh, 50 pesos a
Ang
night.
kita ko.
Anong ginagawa mo sa 50 pesos mo
Ang
nun?
feeling ko noon, mayaman na ako. Bubuka ko lang yung bibig ko, kakanta ko. Kumikita na ako. Sabi ko, this is good.
Oo. At yung 50 pesos, were you supporting your parents?
My brothers
Oo.
and my sister, because nauna yung mother ko going to the States.
Oo.
So, I felt responsible, syempre.
Oo, so breadwinner ka at a young
I was
age.
always a breadwinner.
Oo, so
and I
eto-
didn't mind it.
Oo, so eto na tayo. Ang ganda naman ito, guys.
Ito, ano to, yung
Ay,
wood carver din namin.
Ito pinagawa nyo na dito.
Oo.
Ang ganda.
Yes.
Beautiful.
Our humble honeymoon suite,
It's named-
one of
Yeah.
the original honeymoon suite.
The
no?
original room.
Na ang pangalan ay Isabella.
All these are
Tingnan
poste,
nyo to,
old
oh.
posts.
Grabe. Wow, look at this. Even the room.
Yeah.
That is so beautifully styled. Pero wait, alam mo, ang ganda ng taste ni Kuya. Pero kahit ito, saan mo nakukuha to?
Oh, we buy it in the
oo.
US. Oh. Well, this is the sacred bed
It's the honeymoon
of,
suite.
of those who get married, you know.
Yeah. Pero I love it that it's floating right in the middle.
Yes,
Diba?
yes.
That's a beautiful idea.
Just, it was perfect for this, this
I
condo.
would love a farmhouse like this. Ang ganda nito. Okay.
Kaya mo yan.
Naman, eto na tayo.
Very simple lang. Ito lang
Ganda.
medyo nung binibuild namin, parang, later on sabi ko, ang liit.
Parang ano, kasi
Shower.
parang widow ba kayo?
Oo, widow
Meaning,
lang.
Talaga?
Oo.
So she
Ganun
find
lang.
a good tile deal and Isabella, I bought tiles for that. No, next thing you know, it's here na.
Minsan sumusobra.
Oo, pero may creative ano ka talaga. Meron kang skill. Meron ka talagang
I think
talent.
I pick up well.
Yeah.
Yung quickly,
May
yung
talent
madaling,
siya.
Yeah. But when I was growing up in the States pa, when we were there was a whole cabinet filled with Architectural Digest and House and Garden magazines.
Yeah, I would collect it. That
So,
was the beginning.
it could have been Kule Desma, the architect.
It's true.
Pwedeng ganon.
Oh, di ba?
Nice.
Yun.
Ito, oh.
Yes.
Look at this collection din to.
Yes.
And a lot of
Pag
the
may
rooms-
farm ka, bibigyan ka ng lumang
Wa-
pinto.
Yeah.
Pero why would people give you yung mga luma nilang pinto?
Hindi not gift, they would sell.
Na, binibenta nila.
Siyempre.
Pero look at ang pintong ito, guys, ang taas. So ang mga bahay ito.
Mga
Lumang luma.
malalaking bahay.
Na luma.
churches or it
Sa
depends.
Binondo.
Wow.
Binondo. They're breaking things and they're
Oo.
yeah. Well, these things I would collect them already and yeah, yung lahat ng yan. Ito yung di ba ano? Hindi ko alam kung talagang sa ano pala yan,
That's
yung
a
pangkalabaw.
yoke. That's a yoke.
Oo.
You know, my yoke is easy, my
Pangkalabaw.
burden is light. It's baliktad. It goes here. It's like that.
Oo,
Yeah.
tama. Tama ba to, Kuna, yung talent fee mo, lahat ng kinikita mo dito pumupunta?
Medyo may pagkaganon.
May pagkaganon.
You know, many years of hoarding.
Yeah. Okay.
You know, it's fascinating. But we don't buy it for a lot of money, at least before. Ngayon, mahal na lahat. So it's just to give a rustic effect, no? And
Yeah.
also we tell people what it's about, saan ang galing, you
Yeah.
know, para the kids also when they come, we tell them, ito yung original ng mga weights. You know, dati, ganyan.
Oo.
Ito yung what do you call that, yung sa...
Kalis or
Oo. Pero ang nakakabilib sa inyo, ito, di ba parang guys, ang social-social ng itsura, but look, hindi gumastos ka ng sobra-sobra. This is
Yes.
a screen.
Very practical lang.
Practical siku. Hindi siya glass na mahal.
Yes, yes.
Right?
You know what I'm very happy about? That we did this in yung floor.
Yeah.
No? When I look back and I see all the things that we have done, yung mga details and all that, I would say, wow, well, how did we do all this? No? Yung para bang, yung sipag ng tao namin, yung their dedication also. We always love it when people stay and then they are able to do all of this. Tinuturuan ko lang sila kung paano. Yeah, it's
And
all...
tignan nyo naman yan. Ang ganda no, no?
Do you know that used to be a hill?
It was.
And it was
Yes,
by
we
hand,
carved
it was
it.
pressed down like that.
Wow.
Amazing.
Oh, but you live here.
Yes,
Oo.
yes. We like it here now since the pandemic.
Oo.
Isabella was the one who said, Mom, we might as well go to Hacienda and enjoy that place. And so we asked all our people, their family, to stay and live here during that time.
And what was it like living here during the pandemic?
It was amazing.
We loved it. Kasi we have the grounds, no? And
the
then,
community.
naging naging
A quarantine, a government
quarantine.
sanctioned quarantine.
Yeah. The government paid us, pero it became such a blessing because sabi ko, Lord, alam ko na ngayon bakit ko pinatayo ito. For many, many months, almost 2 years, we would have yung mga positives sa COVID.
Yeah.
And I would call them and then share the gospel with
But
them.
she was like,
Pero you
2
became
electrons
you
away.
became a COVID sanctuary.
Yes,
Yes,
we did. We were not
really
afraid. We believe that, the Lord really talagang gagamitin kami during that time.
Hacienda Isabela was named after you.
Yes.
People know you as the singer, the icon. Pero bilang ina, mahirap ang pinagdaanan yung dalawa.
More than mahirap.
Yeah.
Impossible if without the Lord, my goodness.
Yes,
Oo.
yes.
Yeah. When I was 17, I was diagnosed with bipolar disorder. But it was done so in an interesting time because that was after I had had a bout of, food poisoning. So I had, no. Yeah, there was an imbalance, and I believe it was just hypoglycemia. But because my family had a history of someone else in our family that was diagnosed with bipolar disorder, they sent me to the same doctor. And, nature versus nurture, you're raised by interesting people who have this family background. And so I ticked almost every check mark on that test to see if you are. Mom never wanted me to be on psychotropic medication, but it was the only thing we knew how to treat it at the time. So for about 14 years, I was on that medication.
What did you notice that was different?
No,
In the
her
beginning.
her mind was not in the right state. Manic. But
very
Isabella
hyper.
has always been very active, always happy. Ang naging lang dito, mas naging sobra, alam mo yon, and mas mabilis magsalita. So for parents who see bigla na lang may ganon, that is something na kailangan i-address.
Na-alarma ka ba?
Hindi ko masyado naiintindihan.
She was
Although
working very
I
much
realized
also.
later on that I also had that experience. But how did I treat it? I went to a doctor. Hindi kasi ako makatulog nun.
It's a nursing
And-
school. Yeah.
And I asked for sleeping pills. Somehow, natulungan ako. But it stayed with me for many, many, many years. Decades na gumagamit ako ng sleeping pills. People didn't know that. Pero ngayon sinasabi ko na to help others, no? And then, ang importante, psychotherapy. Yung may nakakausap. And usually, it's not the parents. Dapat hindi magulang. Kasi meron silang mga, minsan may anger issues, hindi maintindihan, they want to do their own
It
thing.
needs to be expressed.
Most of the time, it's between the parents. Most of the time, it's the mothers,
Because
Okay.
my parents separated,
Yes.
so I
Yeah.
was very sad.
Very
You were
sad.
very down.
Very
Yeah,
sad.
that was my world.
But meron ding mga reports from school na she was not the same. Okay.
Yeah.
So it affected her. At kasi yung ano na yan, whether it's depression, sadness, and all that, it really affects children. First of all, ang magulang pag nag-separate, it's really the children that suffer because they think they're being rejected. Okay? Pero, nagbalikan kami ng husband ko and then, nag-separate ulit kami. Okay?
That's so
So that became
That
even
was
more...
the straw that broke the
Yeah,
camel's back.
painful. So ngayon, tambak ng psychotropic drugs and then she started gaining weight. Ako, I mean, I'm a nursing student. I knew that there was something not right. I was, I couldn't understand or I could not grasp that, why would this happen to my daughter? Wala akong knowledge no? All I know is my daughter was normal and then biglang, ito, And then, as the Lord is very good that He would send people to me dahil alam nilang nangyari kay Isabella to, they would help me understand it.
Yeah.
To the point na talagang we went through anger things and rage, and
So it
halos
affected-
mag-give up na ako.
It affected your relationship.
Yes, definitely. Pero syempre, as a mother, you continue to believe na magiging okay to. I cannot stop loving my daughter, understanding that there is something going on na hindi tama, no? Pero hindi ko pa maintindihan yung spiritual side.
And
So
then,
how did your parents' separation on and off, over and over, change you?
well, the thing is, Mom says for a lot of children, it's rejection that they feel. For me, I was closer to my dad at that time. I'm a daddy's girl. She was always so hardworking and doing things that I was raised by my dad. So I actually understood his side. But I didn't agree with it. And I knew it was wrong. And I like to say that my dad was my first heartbreak, And but there's a light at the end of that beautiful tunnel because we went through so much darkness, but that experience drew me closer to the Lord. And it gave me hope and a place of belonging. So that when I was 17 and I had that food poisoning where I had thrown up more than 13 times and I was like gaunt and I couldn't move and they brought me to the emergency room, when I woke up the next day with dextrose and like this, my 2 Bible study teachers were there. My mom was there and they're like, "Are you okay?" And I was like, "I'm okay, but everything happens for a reason." And I didn't know why, but I knew that one day God might be able to use this to help others.
My separation from my husband, her father broke her. It broke both of us. And then after 9 months, Louis came back. We were praying. And then after 2.5 years, we were good. And then another woman, And then on the 17th, naging mas malalim na yung sadness ni Isabella.
When I was
We call it
17
sadness,
years
but
old.
actually it is like a depression, na there was manic behavior. Ganon yun Ang bipolar is up and down, no? Ganon. So we brought her to a psychiatrist because that was recommended by my mother-in-law because her first daughter was also is bipolar. Para sa akin, I want to get my daughter healed, no? So pumunta kami doon. Whatever God allowed for that time, because there is a purpose to everything, tinanggap ko yun because I had no knowledge of anything about, this mental kind of problem, no?
But
Mental
did you
health issue.
blame yourself? What did you go through bilang ina?
Well, when you don't fully understand what's going on, kasi ang inayos lang is the physical and, para sa akin physical pa rin yun kasi chemical yan. There is the absence of the understanding of the spiritual, talagang malaking problema. Then you will continue to not grasp the whole situation, no? Because may katotohanan, may Diyos tayo na nagmamahal sa atin, may magandang plano. Meron namang kaaway ang Diyos na gustong guluhin. And He comes to steal, kill, and destroy. Healing will come, okay? But it wasn't overnight.
Ano ba ang mahalagang bantayan ng mga nanay, ng mga magulang kung ang anak nila ay suicidal or bipolar Because clearly you have both survived this.
Yeah. Sa akin po, yung nakikita ko po ay, kung nakikita niyo po yung anak niyo na sleeping late lagi-lagi, hindi naman kumakain na mabuti, tapos natataranta na kahit anong nangyayari, or maybe they're having troubles with relationships, whether it be with friends or
Even with
boyfriend, with school. Parang nasosobrahan na po sila. Maybe that's the time you suggest, oh anak, come, let's pray, or let's go to church or Bible study. Or also, if they're not open to that yet, anak, kain tayo ng mabuti. Kain tayo ng maraming gulay, at saka salad, at saka protein. But the mental,
There's got to be a psychotherapist,
Yeah.
which
Or-
is helping Isabella a lot now.
I agree.
or a life coach,
Kailangan
or a
merong
good
makausap.
friend.
Oo. Dapat may
That is
kausap.
the answer.
So look at this. It's so chic.
wood. All
Ang
wood.
ganda niya. So cool. What you're saying, ito,
Yeah.
kinolect mo na to. Parang
Yes, they
gusto
would-
mo lang
they would
gumawang
bring.
lanay.
Yeah.
Oo.
To make it more rustic, we don't shine it. We don't,
Oo.
just clean it lang. Now, this one, for example, I would buy the, what they call this, the torno. This one's done by my guy. And then, ito binigay sa akin, this thing, no? Nilagyan ko lang ng foam. Now, this one is an old door.
Yeah.
Old
Pintuan
window.
yan.
So, pinut together lang namin.
Ano nga ito? Nakita ko to.
Wala
kanina.
lang. Minsan the couples, they eat alone there. Minsan yung mga gusto nang magpakasal.
Pero clearly, this place gives you a sense of peace.
Oh, we love it here. Yeah. But we're not attached to it,
Yeah.
One day, it's not going to be with us anymore. We just pray that it will go to another family that will love this place.
Oo.
Kasi meron namang katapusan lahat, di ba? It takes a lot of my time.
Yeah. Oo. Like, gaano katindi ang binigay mong time dito?
Every day, I always, if there's something going on, I make sure that I remind them of
Yeah.
things. No?
This is amazing. Look at this. Wow, para tayong nasa Greece. And who did that?
Yung same artist. And then he became famous. Hindi ko na siya ma-hire ngayon. Mahal na siya. So, kunyari, people can learn from this. It doesn't have to be
Expensive.
na mga sofas. Or we have some sofas in other areas. Pero kamukha nito, it's very forever.
Semento.
Semento lang.
Oo.
Kasi
Kasi ang akala ng ilan, para magpatayo ng ganito, kailangan
Malaking-malaking pera.
malaking-malaking
let's
pera.
start, konti-konti muna. And recent is our cafe, yung Constant
Oo.
Garden Cafe.
Bago yun, I wanna
Yes.
see that.
And then we have also very recent, the Arte Theater. Nung umpisa, when we were thinking of the name for the theater with my assistant, sabi ko, alam ko na, arte. Hindi, pero alam mo, to make it unique, gawin nating arte mo.
Yun ba ang pangalan?
Arte.
Arte.
Tapos
Oo.
sabi ko, pero ganito sasabihin ha, octe.
Oh,
Na pagka-arte mo, octe mo.
wow, look at this. So this
Isabella's
is...
painting.
Oh, nice. Pero ito, this area is for
It's a small
anything.
team building,
Oo, team building. Oo.
That's my talahib.
So, ang galing kasi ang lupa mo na matagal mo nang nabili,
Oo.
nagawa mo talaga, you built it into something you love, you can live in,
Yes.
and then you can share with other people.
Yes.
Kasi pag tumatanda po tayo, mas magandang tumatanda na may community, na marami kang tao na meet.
Right. In my kind of career, my business, as a singer, di ba?
Yeah.
I love it when my fans come here, they
Yeah.
stay overnight. I'm able to, have fellowship and, quality time with them. Yeah.
Wow! Is this
our
new?
Constant Garden Cafe.
Oh, this is gorgeous.
The reason why it's called Constant is because my brother is into plants and his name is Constantino.
Oo.
There
Wait.
was nothing here. There was just some plants na ganon. Yung
Oo.
torch, that's what you call
Yeah.
torch.
Oo.
And, because this was already here, so sabi ko, when they look out, dapat maganda, no? So we started doing this. It's about 8 months now.
Ang galing
It took me
naman
a
nito.
while. It took
Pero
me a while.
napakalaki niya. Bakit ang dami? Is it because you believe talagang mapupuno to?
Yeah, we get it full when there are concerts.
Oh.
We have not opened it yet as a cafe. One night lang, we wanted our friends to try our food and see their reaction. They
Oo.
love the place. They
Wow.
love it.
It's really cool, Ledesma, the entrepreneur too. Wow, dito we can go down here. O, sige, mataas to.
Yeah.
And where did you get all the furniture ko?
Nako, this...
Ang ganda nag-mix ka,
kasi,
orange.
yeah, these tables, we've had a lot of tables like this kasi.
Oo.
We also make it. Balayong.
Dito. Balayong to.
Bigat. Yeah.
Mabigat, eto.
Now-
Ito, ang ganda nito ko.
Yeah, ginawa rin.
Oo.
But this is what we've been making recently.
Yeah.
Kasi may mga trees kami na yung parang mahuhulog na or something. We
Oo.
make it into, a table and then yung mga torno.
Yeah.
Like this one, this is where we put our buffet.
Yes. Pero what I like about your cafe is, one, the energy. If you notice, yung mga chairs
Yeah, iba-iba.
dito, iba-iba.
Yeah.
So may orange, may cloth covered. Di ba? Pati yung tela mismo, iniba-iba mo. Hindi ka ba natakot doon that it might go wrong?
Well, it has to complement each other, di ba?
Oo.
Oo. Kaya it was
Yeah.
white before, yung steel, mga bars na yan. We turned it into orange. So these are my paintings. And I have a place now to hang it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do
Yeah.
you still want to do concerts?
Of course.
Talaga?
Yeah,
Oo.
I enjoy singing. It's my passion as well. Yeah, God has given me this gift and I should use it. And I take care of myself well,
Yeah.
my health. Kasi, without good health, you cannot sing well. Impossible.
Oo. Tanong ko lang, ito ba dahilan kaya mahilig ka naka-scarf? Serious ko
Yes,
do?
it's not about my neck getting old. It's not.
No.
It doesn't look old.
Na, it's
It's
just,
to cover my
My throat.
para keeps it warm. Because before I've experienced, nawala yung boses ko just from the air.
yeah, totoo yun. What is the biggest challenge of being Kule Desma from before to now?
Well, when we do concerts, we definitely have to do a lot of social media promo. Kailangan, you have to come up with new things. Hindi lang yung mga hits. People like to hear your hits over and over. Pero ang dami ng mga singers ngayon. They
Yeah.
already know how to do it.
Yeah.
But what makes me excited is that I have a couple of singers that nagpa-audition kami, and we chose 3 na napakagaling. And this is where my joy comes from,
Yeah.
that I'm able to impart to them.
So, ang salitang malaos, natatakot ka ba doon?
Hindi. Because I know who my provider is, And para sa akin, kahit ilang tao ang nakaupo dyan, basta gusto nila akong kumanta, I will sing for them. It makes me happy that people still come. I'm very grateful to my fans.
Sa totoo ba, ayaw mo
Ano?
one day to have a partner? Don't you
A
want to
partner?
date? Ayaw mo
Oh my gosh,
mag-date?
I do.
Gusto mo mag-date?
Pero hindi pwede.
Talaga ba?
I follow the Lord. Ayoko.
Eh,
Kasi
what
may
if you
consequence ang
find,
disobedience.
but what if you find true love, you fall in love with a guy?
billionaire?
Di ba ang hirap? Guys, ang hirap
No,
naman
it's-
nun, di ba?
No, it's
Gusto natin
Hindi pwedeng about money eh. Kailangan gusto talaga ng Diyos yung partner mo.
But do you want to fall in love again?
Oh my gosh, yeah.
Oo naman. Ay, boboto ko na ma-in love ka ulit.
Pero
Boboto
hindi,
ko.
kung kalooban ng Diyos, hindi
Oo.
pwedeng gusto ko lang.
Yeah, pero you're open.
Of course. Basta tama, yung ano rin, parehas ang values namin and beliefs.
Oo.
It's good. This one, because I hoarded a lot of windows, doors. So, binigyan ako ng idea ng Panginoon to put them all together as a wall here.
Nice.
So, ganon, di ba? Yan. This is where our stage is. We already have our own sound system.
This is beautiful. Look how artistic everybody. Oh, ang nangyari yung mga pintuan, from the old homes, ginawa mo dito as the parang wall paneling.
Yes. Hindi
right?
pa tapos, hindi pa tapos. But, you know, like this one, it came to us, mga 4 na malalaking, or 6 panels or something. So when I like something and it's not that expensive, then I buy it because one day I know I'll be able to use it.
Let's talk about the posters, please.
Oh, these are all the concerts I've done. Hindi pa yung kompleto, but we chose already the good-looking ones.
Wow, Cool Ledesma with the Apo Hiking Society. I remember this. Guys, 1985. I was 15 years old. Alika-
Really?
Yeah. I was 15 years
16
old.
lang ako
Oh,
eh.
dito, sobrang fan ako. Grabe. Ano ang favorite song mo sa mga original songs mo?
Dami.
Hindi, isa lang muna.
Till I Met You.
Till I Met You, alam ko yan. Of
Ako ay
course.
Pilipino. Mga
Ako ay Pilipino, naging parang it's almost like,
Like an anthem.
an anthem to all
In
of
the
us.
public schools, I would sing it.
Right? So from the cafe, which will open soon, I love it.
Yes, yes.
Ang ganda ng cafe. Oh, ang dami
my
nito.
brother
Oh.
has taken over these rooms.
Oh, can I go here? Look at
Dito
this.
muna, dito muna.
Dito muna tayo.
Kasi ano lang yan, makeshift pa lang yan.
Oh, is this your brother?
Yes,
Ay,
yes.
my gosh,
Constantino.
magkamukha kayo.
Ganon.
Oo. Wow, ito all for sale.
Yes.
Ang ganda.
Buksan
Hello!
mo na lang. Buksan mo na lang.
Ay, how nice. So, pasok tayo dito. These are beautiful. Saan nahanap lahat ito ni Constantine? Kung saan?
Ay, kung saan-saan.
Oh,
This is
oh.
also his. Yeah.
Yeah. Eto, bukas na to.
Yes.
Do people
yes.
really come?
Yeah,
All the
yeah,
way
they
dito
do.
sa
Even the
sa,
guests.
sa Cavite to
they
buy?
come.
No, even the Cavite people,
They really look, no?
They do.
Oo.
They do.
Ang
connected to
ganda.
the community.
Which painting do you think is
Ang
good?
ganda naman nun. Ano yan?
Old yan. Ang
That's
mga...
the Igorot's bell.
Tapos ginawa mong ano.
Yes. And
Wow, magkano to?
that one for is nasa 60.
Oh my gosh.
They're
really old.
Oo.
At saka very rare.
So guys, tignan nyo to ha. Ang ganda nun, 60,000 pala yun.
Discovered.
Kasi rare yun. It's an auction item.
Yes, yes.
So you have a lot of mga historical, may artifacts ka, collectibles.
Because we used to do, I mean, even now, we interior design and landscape.
Talagang artistic family
Yes,
ko.
we are.
So eto naman, who made all of this? Eh, ikaw!
Pati accessories, he makes...
Wait.
Look at this, Karen.
You made this.
Lahat po.
Artistic
Constantino,
talaga.
magkano ito? Ang ganda, Karen.
Keyboard.
Yeah, that's
Very
amazing.
nice.
So you wear his items,
Yes,
of
we do.
course.
Yes, yes.
Wow! Where did you get the strength to refocus on your daughter considering nung naghiwalay kayo ng asawa mo, your husband kept cheating, you know? Bate, balik, bate, ulit-ulit.
Yeah.
Some women would lose it completely.
Well, you know, Karen, I thank God he arrested me after 2 weeks. The first time was when she was 14, no? Nag-Bible studies na ako. And then I have, you know, a very good Bible counselor with a teacher, si Diona. Ngayon,
Okay.
after the 7th month, I opened the Bible again. I've read the book of John, okay? I already read that promise in the beginning. But because I already had a relationship somehow, okay, and I was
With
already
God.
obedient, I forgave the girl, I was praying for her.
So you
Alam mo,
forgive even
I
the
forgave.
girl?
Oh,
It's a
yeah.
choice,
Hindi ganito
forgiveness.
nakita ko eh, love your enemies. Ay, Lord, paano ko gagawin yan? I was on my knees just praying. And not only once, until you overcome that hate and that galit, you know. I did not stop. And the Lord really softened my heart. And I prayed for her. Sabi, love your enemies. Love your neighbor as yourself. O di syempre, I got saved. Naligtas na ako. You know, so pinag-pray na namin siya many times a day, 6, 7 times a day. We would just go to the Lord and pray. On the 7th month, nakita ko yun. John 14:13, whatever you ask in my name. Alam mo,
So what happened?
humagulgul ako. Sabi ko, Lord, at that moment, I did not even have an iota of doubt. My husband was going to come back. So the word of
bumalik.
God became real to me talaga
Pero bumalik.
on the 9th month.
Okay, bumalik pero nawala ulit.
After 2
2.5
years.
years.
Yeah.
Or 3 years.
Oo, yun nga.
Yeah. So, merong lesson kasing tinuturo pa rin ng Diyos sa akin eh. It's not about my husband. My husband will learn about God one day. On the second time that he left, I found out in the restaurant, the girl was there. So, syempre nagalit ako. I was on my knees. Sabi ko, Lord, I don't want to go there anymore. Kasi baka upakan ko. Baka masaktan ko yan, ano? Alam mo, yung head waiter namin sabi niya, Ma'am, nandito yung babae. Sabi ko, teka muna, pumunta ako doon. My husband came down sa parking and I said, we have something to talk about. Hindi kami nagsisigawan. And then he went home, we spoke to each other. Wala, parang very controlled yung emotions ko. Sabi, parang ayaw niyang aminin, okay? Trying to, eto yung sinabi ko, I never want to see your face here again. So, he used that, and he didn't come back anymore. So ngayon, that night, okay, ando pa yung husband ko sa bahay namin. I was already on my knees. I was crying to the Lord. I was pounding on our bed. And I said, Lord, take away my pain. Sabi ko, deafen my ears from whatever I will hear from people na nakita nila, merong kasama, ganyan. Basta I was just pounding, I was crying to the Lord, and at the end, sabi ko, Lord, I know you will make my life exciting.
What have you learned as a mother? What is motherhood?
Sacrifice.
You cannot give up. It's sacrifice. I have learned to die to myself. It's very important. It's not about me. If it was about me, I'd be so selfish. And, for all the mothers out there, what's important is to learn how to be a good one. We cannot be proud in saying, alam ko na yan, mabait akong ina, lahat pinoprovide mo. Baka yun na mali. So, it has to be, a deeper understanding of, of a child, ano ang kanyang kilite, ano yung what would make you closer to her, that she would listen to you. It's still a challenge between me and my daughter. So, we're going to the black and white area. The other places, we called it, like Peping, Carolina, that one is Isabela, pero they are family, mga lolo-lola namin.
Oo.
Pinangalan dun sa ganon. This one, we just called it black and white and made, simple, but very attractive. Napaka-practical din. Ayan.
I love that modern, rustic
Yes,
feel. And then, eto, nandito ang sink outside. I
Yes.
love the style. Ikaw ba nag-isip nito?
Oo.
Na ganito, oh.
My favorite stores are Home Depot,
Talagang
mga
yun.
Wilcon.
Oh. So technically, in this room, how many people can fit? Like 6?
Yeah, it could be a family, 2, 4, 5. Ganun.
5? Oo.
Any children, 2 children can stay there.
Nice. Anong advice mo sa mga tao na may farm?
Na may ganito?
May farm. They have a farm. They want to build. Basta kanila
Make it
takot.
unique.
Make it unique.
Make it unique. Oo, it's, something that people can talk about.
Number 2, anong mistakes that you've learned in building that they can learn from?
Don't buy too many materials before you build. Yeah.
Not
Pero
right away.
Lahat ito, we just make
Ganda.
this,
Oo.
So, this one is, part of this black and white.
Wow!
Yes.
Beautiful! Where did you get this black and white inspiration?
Well, I see a magazine idea.
Yeah. And then, of course, so here, you can really have a family here, right? This is
Yes.
their own private area. Yan, ang gaganda ng artwork mo ko, ah. You really have taste. O, sa art to, local din to.
That's mine.
What?
I paint.
Do you sell your paintings?
Yes, I do.
Yeah, this is yours. Beautiful also. So you like painting instruments. I saw doon my Word of God. But you really have the talent. Did you ever go to art school?
No.
Talaga? Wala?
Marami lang akong libro.
Oo.
These old doors, kahit na natutuklap, di ba it looks very artistic, no? Ayan, pati ito original.
Nice. Wow, this is
May
nice.
pool naman.
Matagal na ba to or it's newly built?
No, matagal na. When we were just starting.
And
It's,
a lot of the rooms are here.
Yeah, smaller rooms. That's what we call the Marrakesh, you know, with a little pinch of that, something from that place. Tapos we call this Agua. But this door came from Jakarta.
Yeah.
Bali.
But everything is so well thought of.
Konti-konti lang, and then you just fix one area, and then the next. And we continue to develop and make it better. Even
Yeah.
the rooms that I built before, I've learned that, this room is nicer now. I've learned a lot. So, chini-change ko pa rin ng konti-konti. Make it all the rooms more, We
Okay.
have 2 wooden houses. This one that has a 3rd floor. I think, having land and a place to go to that you can rest, enjoy the place. Now I would say plant trees that are fruit trees, yung may papapakinabangan. Because of the times, you don't know na kakaroon ng ano.
What is your life verse?
I have two. During this, I'll describe what it was. It was like World War III for us. That time, weaning off the medication. But God got us through. During that time, my favorite verse was, "Delight yourself in the Lord, and He will give you the desires of your heart." When I was younger, it was, "Be still and know that I'm God." Now, it's, "Cast your cares onto me, for I care for you." For He cares for us.
Ephesians 3:20, He is able to do exceedingly abundantly more than we can ask or ever imagine. And just surrender. Hindi mo kaya on your own. That's why I always say, I come humbly before God and say, apart from Him, I cannot do anything.